Yeah, it kind of looks Kevin a little bit. That's after the plumbing is done. All the way down to the floor.
Yeah, so because if not, it's gonna be hanging.
I don't know what's going on. In no weird way, just so confused what you're doing.
I'm confused too. I don't have all.
That's not good. All this media. Wow! What time is it? Like midnight. Oh my gosh. 2 days straight. Coming out right there. Oh, there it is. Oh. Power went out. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. Today we are entering the dungeon. By the dungeon, I mean our fish building. We got something really cool going on today. Rodrigo and his squad are flying in from New York. I am going to have my squad here and we are building something epic. I'm gonna let the video do all the explaining. It is gonna be a hectic next couple of days and a lot of money being spent. On that note, thankfully we have a sponsor for today's video. Right after this, we will begin the action. Today's video is sponsored by API. API has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. I have personally been working with API for years now. I have got a lot of API in this fish building, like a lot of it, and even more down there. Last video you saw me do the water test with the Pond Master test kit right here. I was just pouring API pond salt in this pond to help with the fish thickness. All the fish are amazing, by the way. Look at them now. API has a wide variety of everything you can think of for aquariums and ponds, offering a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products right here to feed your fish. Now, no matter what you have, axolotls, fish, turtles, they've got it all. Owning a large fish building like this, you're bound to run into some issues here and there, and not only issues, just if you're doing water changes and simpler things, API's got you covered. Again, thank you API for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have ponds, aquariums, and don't have API, at least within a 5-foot distance, you're making a mistake. Check the link out down below, click that, shop it now. Get yourself some Aqua Essential, stress coat, any nutritional product, fish medications, which you need on hand. As you can see, I have a lot. The link is down below. Wow, that right there is a big old drum filter. Rod!
Back in Florida, brother.
Bet you missed this weather, huh?
I missed everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Everyone's here.
Wait, we need this.
This is the brain.
We need this.
That'll be doing everything today, right there. This is a big drum filter, and it's the only way we're gonna keep our fish strong.
So what's the plan here?
Powerful.
Well, let's get it in there, and you know, hopefully.
Dude, it looks like a robot.
Yeah, this thing can handle a lot of gallons, so we oversized it a bit just in case in the future you want to take this and put it on something bigger, because you're always growing and doing bigger things, and this can go with it. So
Where'd that come from?
In here, this is mine.
It came from New York.
Yeah.
Check that out. That's crazy. Now open her up, David. Look inside. Big old.
Yeah, so this rotates.
Small mesh. You got this at the shop, right?
Yeah,
you got this at your shop?
I got a few of these at my place as well, yeah.
So somebody like me doesn't even really know how this works. This is just filters out like...
Yeah, it's a mechanical filter. The water's gonna enter through here, pass through the middle of the screen, and when it gets dirty, the sensor over there will trigger it to automatically rotate and clean. So, and then all the dirty water... So
it does everything on its own?
Yeah, and all the dirty water comes out this tray and out, and it's gonna fertilize.
Disperse all the dirty work on its own. Don't even have to touch it.
We're keeping the trash can or no?
Yeah.
We are?
Yeah. We're gonna make a much better one though. We're gonna make a much better trash can. This is exactly what $5,500 in a filter looks like. No parts included. Just that right there is that much. We got a whole lot of people moving it too.
Look, one hand, bro.
Don't yeah. Will it fit through the door? That's the real question.
If I can fit through this door, the drum can fit through this door. Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Alright.
Beautiful. Watch the second deck that we added. If you haven't watched the video, watch it.
Somebody's gonna have to get in that pond. It ain't gonna be me.
I'll be in there. I'll get in. You think Mr. Fly River is ready?
Dude, for that pond,
Yeah.
1000%, he's gonna love it.
I just gotta figure out the whole fish thing first.
Yeah.
And then we'll put them in. Once this is all established and we got a better filter system and everything is done, then we can get the Fly River in.
He's even got a little surfboard.
I know he's got a little surfboard. See? He can get on there with his with his soft shell friend. This is a big pump, huh? Oh yeah.
That's the pump that will help clean the drum. So when it activates, this is a high pressure pump that will draw water from the tank to feed the spray bar.
This right here is what we're looking like now. Not only is it a hazard with a freaking outlet being that close to water, but I had mentioned to you guys, everything we did back here was all temporary. It was just until I had gotten this right here. So this drum filter and a better made garbage can is exactly what's gonna actually filter the 5,500 gallon. And today's a big, big day. Today's the day we get everything situated in much better shape. I gotta get a heater for this too so that it's actually staying hot, preventing the whole ick thing that had harmed a lot of these fish. We're already moving our beautiful work that we did. Last time I saw you, I gifted you an Arapaima mount. I have never said anything about that on this channel
I did
yet.
a video. I said.
Yeah, I remember you made a video, yeah.
Make sure he doesn't look. Make sure he doesn't look.
Look that way. Don't look that way.
No.
It's the exact same size as the one that...
No, bro. That's for me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hell yeah. Are you serious, dude?
I swear.
Dude, where'd you get this?
We had it made.
Oh,
Taxidermy. I don't even care.
I appreciate it, bro.
No, you got a hot spot. We went half and half on it. How sick is that thing, dude?
Dude.
So dope. I got it and I honestly didn't want to give it to you. I was thinking of just keeping it for myself.
You need a bass.
You need that big largemouth bass.
Dude, that's so sweet. Thanks, bro.
Awesome?
I love my son.
On the other hand, we have gotten some progress made.
Blue.
Gray. Gray.
Blue.
Gray. Blue or gray?
Blue gray.
This is blue. That's gray.
Gray.
He's just paying you.
In China, that's purple.
Yeah. So what's the plan now? We got to carry that over.
All right, so I think the water level, I measured, it's gonna be 46.
Okay.
So,
What do we want to go get concrete and stuff before bringing that over there?
Just to let you know and everybody know, we started doing this type of work. You're gonna be the first one, but there's already a couple other people that we're gonna set up tanks, ponds, filtration for them, because I'm trying to get out of the warehouse. I'm done.
Are you
And not only
So, like-
installs and service.
Really?
but not only we could do it, we could also film it. So if you want to,
I honestly didn't even know that. I'm the first client. That's beautiful. Not sure how I got my merch dirty, but we're here at the depot of home. This right here,
Yeah,
that card is yours.
I can buy anything I want in this stuff.
Do your thing.
Let's go.
no, you have to think. Go ahead.
Everyone's in a little pile right here.
So,
Yeah, it kind of looks like Kevin a little bit. That's after the plumbing is done. Oh, you went all the way down to the floor and up?
yeah, so, because if not, it's gonna be hanging midair.
I don't know what's going on because I've never set up this big of a filter, especially the way this filter is set up. So the brains are all right there in Kevin's head. That's his assistant.
What do you mean? I'm not nobody's assistant, bro.
All right, so we have the plywood and the cinder blocks for the stand now, and the extra PVC we're gonna need. Paul's not here right now, so I'm just grabbing the stuff for the stand and we're gonna head out.
See this right here? Good thing we don't have to pay for this. Say $1,000 bucks.
1,000? What are you calling it?
1,100.
1,100? 1,000, 1,100. I'm going 950. 8?
It's already a 718.
Oh, is it?
How much did you guess?
1,000.
Oh,
Look at that.
you barely made it. Right in between you and Rod.
Bricks.
Oh yeah. It's over.
And then we're done.
Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, Rod was right.
Yeah, I won.
Yeah, you won.
I'm not doing today.
We are all loaded up. Good job, Danny.
I think it'll be okay. Just leave it. What we're doing is we're clearing out this space so that we can bring in that drum into here, position that, and then rework this stuff around that filter. Basically, that's what we're doing.
It's looking pretty solid. This is definitely a project. There's a lot going on. A lot of junk everywhere, but the junk will eventually look nice. Got a bunch of cement blocks, and on the cement blocks we'll put this plywood, and this entire drum filter will sit on top of the plywood right here.
You took the wood out? Can you grab the wire, please?
We're gonna have to bleep that one. It's a multiple person job here, fellas.
I like our custom extension cord here.
Good job, Danny.
That was good, Danny.
You should put insurance in this building.
I know. I really should. I should probably not also post that clip, which I'm gonna post.
But you want to put that on top of a piece of wood or no?
No.
Just like that? Okay.
You just can't see anything, you just hear no. From the back of the pond, no. Kevin, you back there?
I'm here. It's really tight, guys.
Shout out to Kevin, man.
Time to lose some weight.
You know, one time I said to Kevin, bro, we gotta go to the gym. He looked at me, he goes, you see how big this warehouse is? Walking here is a workout for me. That's my workout.
Pump is in. Big old filter is in. My goodness, this thing looks like a tank. And it goes right out there.
What else, boss?
There we go. Now
Yes.
this trash can, we are also going to upgrade. I know I had mentioned that already. I just thought since I'm standing here next to it, that's gonna be upgraded with this, and it's just gonna be the most killer filtration on this pond. I'm sitting here watching you, Kevin, in no weird way, just so confused what you're doing.
I'm confused too. I don't have all
That's not good.
That doesn't look good,
That's
bro.
not good at all.
No, he was just kidding. He was just HI.
I thought you were doing this for a living, Rod. This
Bro,
is like the business you want to start?
This is the first of its kind.
Kevin has been inside this little pit area right here for the last like 6 hours. Mad props to Kevin. Can we all get a round of applause for Kevin, please? What a beautiful job.
Make sure it doesn't leak.
That's what I was fixing just now.
I'm gonna fall inside this garbage can here in a second.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Moment of truth.
Oh!
Whoa.
Oh! I don't even know where to film.
Coming out right
Oh,
there.
there it is. Up. Power went out.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing is absolutely skirting water. That's like half valve closed, bro.
I think it's too strong and a little bit too loud. It wasn't loud like that before.
Well, what are you gonna do? We just did the whole thing a little too strong and a little too loud. Thankfully, that trench that's in my yard right now is the electricians coming to put more wattage into this building because we were planning to do this, and not only this, but obviously another pond over there and many more projects in here. So we want more power in this building. This pump is so strong, not only strong but a little loud. We're gonna have to figure something out. We'll figure it out in this video. We'll get it dealt with. But the electricians are gonna put in more wattage into this building anyway. So regardless of this building will have its own breaker, its own everything here within the next week or so. And this won't even be an issue. But right now we're running into the power issue. So it's always something. It's always something. Now, unfortunately, the pump we had bought was way too loud and way too powerful. So we had to go buy a new one. And that led to the next day being just as busy as the first day. 760th trip to Home Depot in the last 3 days. This does not even compare to what Kevin has done behind me. But I'm proud of putting a piece of wood on top of concrete. Right through. That's where Rod's muscles come into play. Look at how cool that looks over there. All this media is actually from Rodrigo's shop, so it's all cycled already, right?
Yeah. It came out of my
Big shout out to the boys for hooking it up. The amount of stuff back here is incredible, and it's all done so neatly. Hours and hours of work. One more. That one to the tank, and then we're done. Wow! What time is it? Oh my gosh! 2 days straight.
Well, a lot happened in between, you know, but at least we're here for you, my friend. That's all that matters, you know.
Yeah, you're right. All right, Kevin, real quickly, give me the rundown on how this filter. That was awesome. How this filter is running.
Okay, so the waters from the tank is gonna go down those two overflow holes.
Yep.
Travel along these pipes here, enter into this sump.
Into this, yeah.
Okay, the water goes through the drum does its cleaning. Clean water comes out this side, and it's connected to that pump down there. From that pump, it comes up, it tees off right here. One tee comes to the UV. We
Gotcha.
have a valve that can slow down the speed so that the UV can be more effective. And then the rest of the flow, or most of the flow, will come up through here, through our biological, and then exit. And
By the overflow right there,
Yep.
out the pond. Dude, that is incredible. Smash the like button for Kevin. Big shout out to Kev. My goodness, you're a genius. That's $1 million experience right there. I tell you what, and they do this now as a business. So if you need your plumbing done, you know who to call.
All right, here we go, guys.
Here we are. That is so crazy. Everything is running. Look at the freaking filter, dude. Looks like a bunch of jellyfish. The lid's going on?
Yep.
That is it. It is done. From the distance, obviously we're gonna spice things up. So much work and plumbing and pumps and lots of everything. New filter is in. 2 days of work. Big shout out to them. I mean, Kevin was back in that corner for 10, 12 hours at a time. It is an absolute mess in here, but it's like 3 in the morning. I gotta go to bed and I'll clean this tomorrow. Now we are back to present day. Now big shout out to everyone for helping me out, especially Kevin, with this filter back here. Let me run up the dock here and show you. Look at that. I think it's so cool watching this filter in particular. Obviously that one's nice too, but this is just so cool to watch. And this pond will now do everything on its own, which is awesome because before I had this filter, it was a pain in the butt cleaning all that stuff. So now it does everything on its own. It runs right out the building. As you can see the light down there, it runs right out the building. There's a lot of plumbing that went into this. Whew, a lot of talking in this video. Not like a normal video, I'll tell you that. Next video, we are introducing the new animals. I'm gonna blank that out just in case you don't know. We got new animals at the farm. That will be next video. I emptied out the grow out tank. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with that and honestly all of these tanks here. For the most part, this pond is doing okay. Unfortunately lost the Raphael catfish and the albino arowana. So 2 fish that didn't make it. The ick is slowly taking a couple of the fish, but like I had said, I didn't expect all the fish to survive, so as unfortunate as that is, it's honestly a blessing that we have this many fish still alive. Look at them all down there. Fingers crossed for the next couple of days through treatment. I'm hoping we don't lose any more fish. Love each and every one of you so much. That looks amazing. I will see you right back here in the next one. Peace.